When I first started flying a drone, I thought, why not give it a shot? And I was so glad I did. I instantly fell in love with it. Flying a drone has completely changed my perspective of the world. From looking down from the sky, I can now appreciate the beauty of our planet and the diverse landscapes that make up our world. I have so many memorable experiences exploring with my drone, especially from my travels. One of these was a wedding attended on the island of Moorea in French Polynesia. Being able to soar above paradise, capturing beautiful footage of the loving families and breathtaking views was such a special and unforgettable experience. Another experience was documenting a car tour in Sicily that followed along the old Targa Floria route. I am proud to be part of the Women Who Drone community. It has been an invaluable resource for me as I've been learning to fly and as I continue to develop my skills. The community and support provided have been incredible and has helped me to stay motivated and excited about flying. My name is Larissa Rolley, visual artist and traveler who believes that life is bigger than borders.